गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट मैथ चैप्टर नंबर 6 था आपका नंबर्स अप टू 100। इस चैप्टर में आपको 100 तक कैसे नंबर्स बनाए जाते हैं इसके बारे में हमने बताया था। इसमें जो है आपकी पहली एक्सरसाइज इसमें जो है आपकी जो पहली एक्सरसाइज है 6A को जो है हम 6A में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर हमने आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 तक हमने आपको बता दिया। अब आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में आइए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है पुट द साइन ग्रेटर देन लेस देन और इक्वल टू इन सर्किल। In this question we will put the sign greater than, less than or equal to in circle. It means कि आपको सर्किल के अंदर greater than, less than और इक्वल टू का साइन इसमें पुट अप करना है। तो यहाँ पे देखिए पहला नंबर है 68 और यहाँ पे 93 दिया है। दूसरा नंबर है 98, फिर उसके बाद क्या किया है 87। तीसरा नंबर है आपका 65 और यहाँ पे दिया है 56 और चौथा नंबर है 58 79। In this question देखिए in this question we will put greater than, less than or equal to in circle। यहाँ पे देखिए ध्यान से ये नंबर है 68 और ये नंबर है आपका 93। जब भी आप नंबर को कंपेयर करते हैं सबसे पहले डिजिट को काउंट करते हैं। मोर डिजिट मोर डिजिट। अगर जो नंबर आप जब दोनों तरफ के डिजिट को काउंट करेंगे तो जो पहला रूल है मोर डिजिट मोर ग्रेटर नंबर। इट मींस कि अगर डिजिट को काउंट करने के बाद जो डिजिट सबसे बड़ा होगा वही नंबर सबसे बड़ा माना जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे देखिए इसमें रूल नंबर 1 नहीं आपका चलेगा। क्योंकि यहाँ भी 2 डिजिट है, यहाँ भी 2 डिजिट है। अब यहाँ पे देखिए जब दोनों तरफ we will compare both sides number 68 and 93। we will compare both sides numbers 68 and 93 is a 2 digit number। 68 and 93 is a 2 digit number। we will compare in the case the digit is same so we will compare tens place। tens place 6 and another number tens place 9। 6 and 9 will be compared to 6 is less than 9। 6 is less than 9। we will compare tens place 6 tens and 9 tens। so that is 6 is less than 9। it means कि less than हो गया। again see question we will compare the number of digits। जिस तरह से आपने पहले नंबर को किया उसी तरह हम लोग सेकंड नंबर को भी करेंगे। 98 and 87 are 2 digit numbers। 98 and 87 are 2 digit numbers so we will compare tens place। तो tens place 9 है and another tens place is 8। tens first number is tens place 9 and another number is tens place 8। तो 9 and 8 will be compared। 9 and 8 को जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो 9 is greater than 8। 9 is greater than 8। it means कि आपका it means in the circle is greater than sign। थर्ड में आइए, अगेन टेंस प्लेस कंपेयर 6 and 5. तो 6 and 5, तो 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5, तो again greater than. नेक्स्ट आइए 58 and 79. The digits are same. The digits are same. तो it means कि टेंस प्लेस कंपेयर करेंगे. We will be, the digits are same, तो we compare tens digit, each compare tens digit 5 and 7. तो 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. तो less than it means कि less than 7. फिर इसी तरह चलिए अगेन 87, 85, 73, 94, 100, 63 और 65. We will be compare the same rule. All numbers will be two digit numbers. All numbers will be two digit numbers. It means कि सारे नंबर जो है टू डिजिट के नंबर हैं. तो we will compare tens place 8. We will compare tens place. Digit is same, two digit number. So we will compare tens place is 8 and 8. So tens place will be same. Again tens place will be same, तो again ones place compare. करेंगे. Ones place we will compare. तो 7 ones और 5 ones. 7 ones and 5 ones. It means कि 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. It means we will put a greater than sign. Again, two digit number 73 and another number is 73. It means is 73 and 73. It means same number. So it will be same number. We will put equal to. It will be same number. It will be same number of two digits. 73, 73. So we will sign put up equal to. Again, let's two digit number 94 and another number is 100. We will compare digits. First number is two digit number and second number is three digit number. Second number is three digit number and first number is two digit number. So we will compare two digit number. Two digit number is less than three digit number. Two digit number is less than three digit number. So we will put up less than sign. Again 63 and 65. We will both two digit numbers. We will be both two digit numbers. And tens place compare. Tens place 6 and 10 place 6. Both the tens place will be same. Again ones place compare. Ones place 3 and ones place 5. Both the tens place will be same. So again ones place compare. First number is 3 and second number is 5. First number is 3 and second number is 5. That is the ones place. So ones place 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So less than, so we will put up less than sign. Again 55. 94, 90, 85, 93, 75, 44. Same rule. We will compare two-digit number, two-digit number, two-digit number. Both sides the same number. We will compare two-digit number. Both side will be same. 5 5 55, 5 5 55. So that is ones place and that is tens place and one place is same. So ones and tens will be complete number 55 and other side 55. So it will be put up the sign equal to. Reason that is both sides will be same number. Reason that is both sides the same number. First number 55 and second number 55. It will be same, so that is put up equal to. Second, again I will. First number is 94 and second number is 90. It will be two-digit number. It will be two-digit number. Both the digits are same, so we will compare tens place. We will compare tens place. Tens place are same. First place 9 and another number in first place will be 9. So both are same. Again ones place compare. Ones place compare 4 and 0. Again ones place compare 4 and 0. So 4 is greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0. So greater than. So we will put a greater than sign. Again first number two digits are same. First number is 85 and second number is 93. First number is 85 and second number is 93. So we will compare tens place. We will compare tens place. Tens place 8 and other side is 9. Tens place we will compare. So first side 8 and other side 9. So 8 is less than sign. 8 is less than sign. So we will put a less than sign. Again first number is 75 and second number is 44. First number is 75 and second number is 44. So we will compare tens place. Reason both sides are two-digit number. There are no difference. Both sides are two-digit number and there are digits are same. So next there are tens place. We will be compare tens place. We will be compare tens place. First 7 and another 4. First tens place is 7 and another place is 4. So that is 7 is greater than 4. That is 7 is greater than 4. So we will put up greater than sign. So in this question will be completed. In this question we will three signs use. First sign greater than, second sign less than, or third sign equal to. Put up the sign in the circle. It will be question number 3 completed. Next question number 9. Next question number 9. Question number 9. Fill the circles with the smallest and greatest number. Look at the blackboard, dear students. Question number 9. Fill the circles with the smallest and greatest. Smallest and greatest number, we know that what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number. Previous chapter will be explained. Previous chapter will be explained. Question number 9. Question number 9. Fill the circles with the smallest and greatest. Fill the smallest and greatest number. What will be smallest and what will be greatest? We know that 1 to 100. We know that 1 to 100. 1 to 100 is learning and writing. We know that 1 to 100 will be counting and learning. So again, first circle is smallest and first circle is smallest and second circle is greatest. Between numbers 53, 95, 35, 64, 62, 26, 86, 44, 77. It will be 2-digit numbers. It will be 2-digit numbers. We know that 1 to 100 how to read and write. We know that 1 to 100 how to read and write. Yes or no? Suppose yes. Suppose yes. Suppose yes. Numbers 53, 95, 35, 64, 62, 26, 86, 44, 77. We will compare first place is tens and second place is ones. We will compare, suppose it is not reading 1 to 100. Suppose you are not reading 1 to 100. Another option, these numbers are 2-digit numbers. So we will compare first place tens and second place ones. So first place compare 5 tens, 9 tens, 3 tens, 6 tens, 6 tens, 2 tens, 8 tens, 4 tens और 7 tens. 5 tens, 9 tens, 6 tens, 6 tens, 2 tens, 8 tens, 4 tens, 7 tens. There are 2-digit numbers. There are 2-digit numbers. First place is 5. First place is 10, and second place is 1. So let's greatest number tens place. Let's see how the smallest tens place. Tens place first have 5 tens, 9 tens, 6 tens, 6 tens, 2 tens, 8 tens, 4 tens, 7 tens. In this numbers, we will 2 tens is smallest. In this numbers, we will select smallest tens. So we will 2 tens is the smallest number of tens. We will be 2 tens is the smallest number. 2 tens smallest number है, तो इसके लिए क्या करें? आप जो है 5 tens देखिए इन दिस क्वेश्चन we will search smallest tens. तो smallest tens में 5 tens, 9 tens, 6 tens, 6 tens, 2 tens, 8 tens, 4 tens, 7 tens. So that is the 2 tens is the smallest number. 2 tens is the smallest number. So we will be smallest number. We will be smallest number 26. और 26 put up the circle. सपोज अगर आपको 1 से 100 तक नहीं पढ़ने आता है, अगर मान लीजिए कि आपको 1 से लेकर 100 तक नहीं पढ़ने आता है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? वी विल कंपेयर टेंस प्लेस. टेंस प्लेस each number will be tens place 5 tens, 9 tens, 6 tens, 6 tens, 2 tens, 8 tens, 4 tens, 7 tens. So 2 tens is the smallest place. 2 tens is the smallest. So number is 26 is smallest. And again greatest में